Sige, we're gonna go to Mai Tai and we'll try their bagong rice. So, I got this. This place always full during lunchtime. Maya-maya yung mapupuno na yan. I tried the bagong rice and another Vietnamese Thai restaurant sa SM North. Gosh, kakaundi yung mango, sweet pork, and pangabay sarap. I think there are 3 items. Pero I wasn't satisfied. So we'll see how this is. I had Pad Thai here before. Same location. Same Mai Tai. And I was very satisfied. It has really big prawns. Hindi yung maliliit lang. Parang it's similar to the ones that I get when I was in the US. Yun. Sa Canada, I was never satisfied. I never found an authentic Thai restaurant there that matches the one in the US. Dito talagang maganda yung kanila. And I had pho too, but yun naman yung pho. It's not the same as is in Toronto. Sa Toronto kasi maraming mga Vietnamese restaurant. Pero sila yung may bone marrow. Pero madalas yung parang na iba't ibang meats. May yung sliced sausage, Vietnamese sausage, yung lalaki. Pero the best spot that I had was in Vietnam. I think it was in Saigon. I don't know what they call it. It's just another little city. Pero ang laki na ipak ng pork. Tapos other may pa yata. Maganda nun. So ito yung bagong rice nila. It's much better. Dami like the other Thai restaurant. Maganda to. Yung rice nila lasa talaga yung bagong agad. Even if you don't see the bagong, look. So mekas muna natin. Marami yung lahat yung sweet pork niya, mango, ang dami, pati yung onions, tsaka may peanuts pa. Yeah, this is good. Tama-tama balance. Tsaka marami siya mango, marami sweet pork, tsaka yung tama lang balance lang yung mix. Yan o. expensive, but true that compared to the other place. Mas may sriracha rin sila. Sriracha is the spot. Kahit matamis yung sweet pork kasi it's really sweet pork naman talaga ang yan. Gawa ng maraming mango na babalance yung taste niya. Sarap niya. So, if you really like mango rice, or bagong rice pala, ito masarap. So, yun, mabuti. Naglagay sila ng picture kasi. Isa lang. Masarap yung water na may cucumber. Kesa lalagyan ng lemon. I don't like lemon. I mean sometimes. Pero nagsama na ako na sa ibang bansa. Lemon in water. If I'm with somebody, marami ito. Kasi I'm sure I'm gonna order noodle soup or something else. Like yung Vietnamese rolls, right? I mean, for me, since hindi na ako ganun karaming kumain, this is a lot. That's good. I think it's a generous serving. Pero ang dalawang tao talaga pwede. Sarap talaga ng sriracha. Pero kung may sili, ayun, kukonti lang yung sili niya na naka-slice. So, sriracha is a good addition. Sarap. So, yun lang. Tapos,